Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to block stranger from sending you friend requests in Alipay. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Alipay app. So I'm going to click on here, open my Alipay app. Just like so. After you open up your Alipay app, next thing you want to do is to click on account and take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on this setting icon. Top right there, click on that. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on privacy. It's going to take you right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on common privacy settings. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down. So from the side right here where you have allow me to be found by email or mobile number. So what you need to do is to simply turn off this button right here. So you can decide to turn off the button of if you disable, stranger will not be able to find you by email to search, add you as a friend. So once you're satisfied with that, simply click on confirm close, and with that, no stranger will be able to send you any friend request in your Alipay app. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.